will see next operator, that is unary operator. What is meant by unary operator? Unary operator means that operator which performs operation on only one operand. Understood? And that unary operator is denoted by plus plus or minus minus. That is incremental operator or decremental operator. If this plus plus operator is before operand, that is before operand, A is the operand and before that plus plus operator is there, so this is called as pre-incremental operator. And if that incremental operator is after operand, then it is called as post-incremental operator. Similarly, minus minus, this is called as pre-decremental operator, and if that operator present after operand, then it is called as post-incremental operator, post-decremental operator. Understood? So, what is the meaning of that? So, if plus plus A means, it means A is equal to A plus 1, means add 1 in that operand A, only 1 in that operand A. Similarly, plus plus A, their meaning is also same, but what is the difference between that? So we will take one example and illustrate what is the difference between unary plus plus, that is pre-incremental, and post-incremental operator. So let's take one example. Start our program from including header files, hash include std io.h. After that, hash include con io.h, include second header file. Next, start our program from main. So write void main function, parenthesis, new curly bracket here. That means body of main function. Now we can write body of main function. Take one operand and initialize the value. Suppose integer A. This is A is a variable of type integer and storage location or storage class is atto, means store on the stack partition of your RAM. Now assign the value to A as a 10. 10 is the initial value in the variable A. Next, clr scr, that means clear the text mode window. Next thing, suppose B is the another variable, B is one another variable, assign plus plus A to B. Okay, plus plus A means this is the pre-incremental operator which performs operation on the A, and whatever may be the value assigned to the again B variable. Okay, so declare B here. A is initialized, means initial value of A is 10, but initial value of B is garbage. We cannot assign any value, so initial value of B is garbage. This is memory management. On the RAM, random access memory, there are two variables A and B. Okay, initial value of A is 10 and value of B is garbage, that is initial value. Clear? After that, A plus plus means what? So printf, after this statement we want to print what is the current value of A and what is the current value of B. So A is equal to %d double quotes complete A, and printf B is equal to %d double quotes complete comma B. Last statement is 8C. Now, what is the expected output of this program? Clear? So, this is plus plus is a pre-incremental operator, and this unary operator is, this is a shorthand notation. Here, total two statements are there. There are two statements are there, but we can write only one statement. Okay, using unary operator, that is plus plus. Because we know plus plus A means what? A is equal to A plus 1. Okay, that means increment value of A variable by 1. So what is the value of A and now what is the value of B? Current value of A is 10. Now this statement is split into two statements. Actually this is a shorthand notation, so this is a combination of two statements. So if plus plus A is pre-increment, means first statement is A is equal to A plus 1. So here pre-incremental operator, how it works now? Now this is a combination of two statements. This we have to split these two statements. Okay, how? First plus plus A means A is equal to A plus 1. This is pre-incremental, so write first statement A is equal to A plus 1. After that B is equal to A. Okay, these are the two statements. Using pre-incremental operator we can write one single statement. So meaning of this single statement is A is equal to A plus 1 first statement, after that B is equal to A. This is called as expansion of your shorthand notation, and that is done by one preprocessor, that is called as preprocessor. Okay, before compilation there is one activity called as preprocessing activity, and what is the preprocessor done? Preprocessor expands your shorthand notations and gives this file is submitted to compiler, and compiler then again compile this file. So before compilation there is one activity called as preprocessing activity, and preprocessor expands this shorthand notation and gives this file to compiler, and then compiler compiles that code, because compiler does not understand what is meaning of shorthand notation. So we want to expand it, and that is the work done by preprocessor. Okay, so preprocessor expands this code. Now what is the initial value of A? A is 10. So 10 plus 1, 11, and this 11 is override here in the RAM. After that 11 is assigned to B. So what is the value of A? A is 11, and current value of B is also 11. So output is A is 11, B is 11. Okay, so now we can change the code. What is the, we want just to change B is equal to A plus plus. Same statement. Okay, A plus plus means what? A is equal to A plus 1. But now it is a post incremental operator. So now this statement is split into two statements, but first statement is B is equal to A. This is your first statement, and after that A is equal to A plus 1. This is second statement. Okay, now values get changed. What is the initial value of A? Before A is equal to 10, that is initial value. So 10 is assigned to B. So current value of B is 10. After that 10 plus 1. So A's current value is 11. Now output gets changed. Output is A is equal to 11, that is current value, and B is equal to 10. Understood? What is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment? Meaning of both statement is A is equal to A plus 1. Clear? But if it is post-increment, then write that statement after previous statement. Okay, and if it is pre-increment, then first statement is A is equal to A plus 1, and after that B is equal to A. But output get changed. Understood? Similar way, if now increase the complexity of this program. What is the complexity? Suppose B is equal to A plus plus plus, this plus means binary operator which performs addition of two operands. Okay, and after that plus plus A. Clear? So this is complex one. This statement is complex one. Now this is the shorthand statement for three different statements. There are total 3 statements. We can make only single statements, but actually there are 3 different statements. Okay, depending on pre-increment and post-increment, we can split this statement into different 3 statements. So which one is the first statement? So post-increment operator, which this is pre-increment. So So first pre-increment is evaluated. That is plus plus a. What is the meaning of plus plus a? A is equal to a plus 1. This is the meaning of this statement. Okay. After that, this is post increment. So it is evaluated after evaluating b is equal to a plus a. Okay. B is equal to a plus a. This is second statement. And which one is the third statement? A plus plus. That is post increment. That is a is equal to a plus 1. Now, what is the initial value of a? A is 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. This value is updated into RAM 11. After that 11 plus 11, it becomes 22. So current value of B is 22. After that, a is equal to a plus 1. That is current value of a is 11. 11 plus 1, it becomes 12. So current value of a is equal to 12. Now output, a is equal to, what is the current value of a? 12. And what is the current value of b? 22. Understood? This is the meaning of pre-increment and post-increment operator. Similar way, we can evaluate it for the decrement operator. Similar way, if we write, okay, understood what is the meaning of that? If similar way, suppose post plus plus a plus 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 a means both operators are pre-incremental. So output get changed. First statement is a is equal to a plus 1. After that, second statement is a is equal to a plus 1. After that, b is equal to a plus a. Now output get changed. So this is the shorthand notation for three statements. Okay, this is the shorthand. We can split into three statements. So initial value of a is equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 is the current value of a. 11 plus 1, that is 12. And b's value is 12 plus 12, that is 24. So current value of a is 12 and b is 24. So changing the position of operator, that is pre-increments, post-increment or post-increments, pre-increment, then output get changed. Okay, so this is all about demonstration of pre-increment and post-increment operator. As well as if we can change, that is plus plus to minus minus, then what happens? Minus minus means pre-decremental operator. So minus minus means a is equal to a minus 1. So here both operators are pre-incremental. That means statements are a is equal to a minus 1. Second statement is a is equal to a minus 1. And third statement is b is equal to a plus a. So initial value of a is equal to 10. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. After that 9 minus 1, that is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. So current value of a is 8 and current value of b is 16. Okay, clear? So that is called as pre-decremental operators. Clear? These are the shorthand notations, and these shorthand notations are expanded into different statements by preprocessor. This is the work of preprocessor to expand the shorthand notation into longhand notation so that compiler understand the code. Clear? So today we will stop here.